So this question is average waiting time. So you only have a single chef, and then you have a real customer, and then this represents arrive in time. So arrive is when the customer actually arrived, and then the time is going to be until the chef is finished the food. No, I mean the order, right? So the arrive time are already stored in non-decreasing order, which is ascending order. Okay, you want to return the average waiting time for all customers. So I'm going to draw a picture. It's going to be pretty easy to understand. So let's draw a bar. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, something like this, right? So the first customer arrived at time 1. How much time does it wait? 2, right? So it's 1 plus 2, that is what? The total time that the chef will complete the food. And the second customer arrived at time 2, and then the time would take for what? 5, right? So 2 plus 5 would be 2 plus 5 right here, 7. So let's not worry about overlap. I'm gonna talk about this later. I'm just picturing like this will be 1, 2. This will be 2, 5, and the last one would be 4, 3. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. So that is 4, 3. So this is a diagram when when the customer come in. Imagine that you only have like 1, 2. Imagine you only have 1, 2. My bad. You only have 1, 2 right here. Okay. The customer come at time 1. Wait 2 seconds. The food will complete at times 3, right? So this is how it is for only one customer in the array. Alright, let's see if the only array is 2, 5. So a customer come at time 2, wait 5 seconds, which is time 7 until the food is ready, and so on for the 4, 3, right? 4, 3. Come in 4 with 3 seconds, the food will complete at time 7. So again, this is the ideal, right? But again, this is not the case because you only have one single chef, right? So what it does is what you actually need to put this block into the one after. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then you put what? This is 5, right? So 3 plus 5, that would become 8. Okay, so you put this over here, and then you will do using which color? This color. You'll do this at the same time. So this will do 3 seconds. So it will be 11, right? 8 plus 3 will be 11. So you put this block in here, and then you want to calculate the average time for the user, for the customer, how much time they wait, right? So I'm gonna just go through the solution right now. So think about this. The first customer food will be complete at 3. Food is completing at 3. When does customer show up? 1. Okay, so that represents 2. Okay, so the second customer coming, he, she, doesn't matter, coming at 2. Okay, so coming at 2. When does the food complete? 8. Okay, and then it will become 6. Alright, so the third customer will come in at 4, so you minus 4. When does food complete? 11. So this will become 7. So 2, 6, 7 is the how much time for each customer is waiting. So you want to do the average, you're going to add 2 plus 6 plus 7 divided by the total customer. Okay, so total customer represents the length of the customer. So in this case 3. And if you notice, you already know that I do 1, 2, 3 in the subtraction on here, and then 3A 11 is the actual time. When does the food finish, and then do the calculation and do the division later. So you're gonna calculate the actual, the maximum time. When does the food complete? If there's an order, right? When does the food complete? Dividing by subtract by the customer arrive time, and then you keep appending. So you will just keep adding. So 2 plus 6, 2 plus 7, 2 plus anything, right? And then just keep adding, and then later on you will just divide by how many customers. So let's see. So since we are returning double, so I'm going to just say double weight equal to 0D, and then I will say probably like current equal to 0D. All right, doesn't matter. So I will say customer and then customers. So current will become the math.max. So current, it will be 1D times customers. So this is represent that you want to convert the customer 0. So this will represent you want to convert the actual value from integer to double. And what I'm trying to do is I want to know what is the maximum the time that how do I say this? The maximum time that the customer needs to start. It has to be a start, right? And then plus the customer waiting time. So start plus waiting time, right? And then the wait will plus equal. It has to be plus equal the total time minus the starting time, right? So current will be what you want to know, whatever the time you are currently stepping, and then you're going to, and I mean if the current is greater than the customer stepping, you don't care about this, you care about current. The current will keep updating, right? And you plus the customer, the full time. So in this case, this will be 2, this will be 5, this will be 3. And then what you're doing the subtraction is the total time minus the stepping time, then you'll become the wait time. So later on you'll just do wait. I probably just say wait divided by the total customer. So this will be the solution. Let me run. Yeah, so for the time and space, time will be all of n, space will be constant. So you probably need to, do the same thing. You're gonna draw on the paper and then think about how this is happening. Other than that, this is pretty straightforward. Alright, see you.